Taxis taking to the air. A strange occurrence for some, but the realization of a dream for the South African National Taxi Council, which is looking to become more integrated into the country's transport system.
We've identified a gap, a space within the aviation industry. A lot of people cannot access airports. The costs, the fares on the plane are quite high. So there was a sense that maybe we need to look at that area and find affordable and accessible way of transporting people.
From a grounded taxi to a crowded plane, SANTACO plans to sell tickets at taxi ranks, then transport passengers to and from the airport. Costs for the shuttle service will be included in the flight ticket.
Very exciting. It was like a real taxi in the air experience with everyone singing. It was really nice.
I think that it was such an amazing flight. I'm not much of a flyer, but it was a very comfortable flight and I absolutely loved it.
The South African government supports SANTACO's move into aviation and hopes to see it taking on other sectors like maritime.
We applaud SANTACO for this brave step in giving the country its first fully black-owned airline. The challenge of transport with regard to the transportation of people through the sea. Find a link to the sea. I'll be very happy that one day you'll call me to say we now have a ship.
This day, without any shadow of doubt, marks a new dawn and one that will forever change the face of the transport sector.
Key industry players, meanwhile, are bracing for tough times ahead as airport taxes, high fuel prices and the slow global economic recovery weighs heavily on low-cost airlines and the consumer.
Prices are going up. That's the reality of our business. What impact is that going to have on the market? We can't tell the future. We're gearing ourselves up for tough times ahead. Despite
these concerns, SANTACO remains optimistic and says it has already been approached by a couple of established players to partner in the venture.
This cake is too big. We'll all coexist. We are just dealing with the market that we've always been dealing with, just providing them a better service.
SANTACO Airlines will start offering flights to the public by next year and are also planning to list on the stock exchange in the near future.